is the most common letter in the Danish language. We pronounce the letter E as an E sound. And we use it in elephant and in eon and in en. Sometimes we pronounce the E as an I, and that's even in quite common words like de or hende. These words are used all the time, so why are they not spelled with an I? It can also be pronounced as an A sound. We do that in words like dejlig, ret, frem, jeg. It can also sometimes sound like an A sound, like in the word fest, hest, even in my own name, Jesper, Jesper. And there are no rules for when to use what. Okay, I'm out of here.